Hello, today you're going to take a quiz on solving one and two-step equations. And just a quick reminder, you're going to use PEMDAS backward when you solve. When we solve, we're undoing operations that we see trying to isolate the variable. So if you use PEMDAS, we start back with adding and subtracting, and if you see adding, then you use subtracting. If you see subtracting, you use adding. So these are kind of like sister operations. Then multiplication and division. If you see multiplication, then you do division. If you see division, then you use multiplication. So PEMDAS can help you solve. Please take out a separate sheet of paper and write each equation down and do your work on paper and then answer the questions. I've decided to do this on Edpuzzle so that way you get immediate feedback. So let's start with our first equation. X plus 6 equals 18. What solving step should you take in order to solve this? Because we see x plus 6, you needed to subtract 6 on both sides. What is the solution? The choice for this, the answer, should be x equals 12. Going on to number 2. Write this on your paper. Y minus 7 equals 21. What is the solution for this equation? Y equals 28. Equation number 3 says 5a equals negative 20. What solving step should you take to solve this equation? We should divide by 5 on both sides. What is the solution? The solution is a equals negative 4. Please write down equation number 4. N divided by 3 equals 4. What solving step do we need to use in order to solve this equation? We need to multiply by 3 on both sides. What is the solution? N equals 12. Let's move on to equation number 5. Please write equation number 5 on a piece of paper. Negative 8w minus 2 equals 14. What's the first solving step? What is left over, or what, in other words, is the resulting equation after you complete the first step? What is the second solving step? What is the solution for this equation? The solution is w equals negative 2. Please write down the final equation. W divided by 2 plus 6 equals 9. What is the first solving step for this equation? The first solving step is to subtract 6. What's the resulting equation after you subtract 6? W divided by 2 equals 3. What is the solution for this equation? The solution for this equation is W equals 6. Thank you for taking the quiz. Enjoy the rest of your day.